In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Prime Video membership on Amazon. Now, what we're going to do is we're not going to start on Amazon because it's just going to take us to exactly where we're going to go right now, and that is Prime Video. So all you need to do is type in primevideo.com into your browser, and you are welcome to download the app from your Play Store, but again, it's going to bring you to the browser to sign up. So it's going to bring you to the screen here. And what you need to do is click on start your 7-day free trial. So that's 7 days. You can use it for free, see if you actually like it. And if you do, then they will charge you the amount stated at the bottom. It's obviously going to be different for different countries. Now, once you click on that, it'll prompt you to sign in to Amazon if you haven't already. Again, mine won't prompt me to sign in because I have used Prime Video before. And once you're signed in, it'll bring you here. If you already have your card linked to your Amazon account, then yours will look like mine. If not, where mine says change, you will be able to just input all of your card details. And then you can click on Start Prime Free Trial. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.